Hi guys, so I will teach you how to play Leaves by Ben&Ben. So kung kailangan nyo na chord, ito. Tapos D and D na wala to. Tapos to. D over C sharp. Tapos G. Yun. Ayan yung sa verse. Tapos sa pre-chorus, ganito. Parang ano yan, parang B minor 7. Basta, ewan ko, basta ganun. Ganyan. Tapos E. Tapos A. Tapos F sharp, minor. Pwede ganun. Pero ganun na lang. Tapos G. Ayan. So, yun. Paulit-ulit lang yun. Tapos dun sa, oh, you never really love, gano'n, never really love, E minor, D over F sharp, minor, tapos G, tapos, yun na yun. So ngayon, iti-testing natin yung tinuro ko. So, Leaves by Ben&Ben. So, ito na yun. I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right. Everything cherished is gone, and in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? And the leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. Na 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 na. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forget. So yun po.